Hi YouTubers, I'm Herb the Motorhome. I'm going to do a small job on it, and the small job is to do with the diesel heater display. These displays here. Actually, I'll switch it on so you can see it. Okay, I've switched it on and it is barely visible, you know, in this light. It's unbelievably dark and I'm sick to the death of these things. Even the one on my other one, I put another LED in. The displays just go. So I'm going to go back in technology. I'm going to fit one of these. And say I'm just sick of the tired of the thing. You don't know whether it's on or off or whatever. So this display is coming out. Now to remove it, on my motor, my Toy Express, there's the hole for the clock. And I fed it through there, so I've just got to unclip it here and yank it out like that and shove it through the hole, and the new one will go in there. And I've got to take these two screws out here and swap it. Right, I've fitted the display. The cable's a lot shorter than the original one, but it goes into the wardrobe okay, which is where the back of the clock is. I'll put a torch on there. There's a connector there, and this is the back of the clock here. It's where you get in to set the hands, believe it or not. And yeah, that's where the cable is there. Right, I've switched it on, so we should. Let's shut the wardrobe now, and we'll see if it works. Well, it seems to be working. Just getting warm, and it's ticking away. That's it, running full whack. So let's go outside and see if it's how noisy it is. Mind you, I'm against a fence. That's it, running full whack. Right, it's not smoking, so I'm going to shut it down now. Right, now I think what you do is you rotate this so the red is further down. So that's three bars on the indicator. And I think it's slowing down. Oh, it's slowing down now. First test complete. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to film the exhaust. Right, so this is going to be a sort of a cold start. a bit of white smoke. I can see it. It's not too bad. It's about 6 to 9 degrees outside, something like that. Yeah, the smoke stopped now and it's up. Wow, it's interesting. With these older controllers, it's got a different sort of shutdown procedure. It doesn't actually bring the fan up to very high speed. So I wonder if that's why they clog so much as the, the other controller. Don't know. Just an observation.